So today I'm actually going to share with you guys something that everybody loves to do. Everybody loves to do it. It's basically decorating these kind of Starbucks cups. Now this is just a random thing I just found on Etsy, but these are the Starbucks cups that everybody goes crazy for. This person is selling them for $6.99. Do not do that. Do not buy them on Etsy for $6.99. You guys can go to your Starbucks store or Target and you can pay $3 or $4 for it. They always have them available. Sometimes they are sold out, but you guys, they sell them all the time. So don't ever pay $6.99. Plus this person wants shipping for this. So just want to give you guys a heads up. But I do want to share with you guys, a lot of people love these looks, the ring around the Starbucks label. So you can either have a design like this person does, this is a little bit different, or you can put your name. So what you're going to do is, I just go and grab a circle, okay? Now I have searched and searched and searched measurements for this, and I finally found one that is to a T. So what you want to do is you actually want to make this the bigger circle. So we're going to actually take this little lock button and you're going to unlock it. So that means you guys can do this, you can do that. It basically just change it. It's no longer the exact same size. So for the width up here, you're going to write that it's 3.654. Okay, so that's for the width. Now we're going to do for the height. So that height would be 3.41. And I will have this written down in the thing. So this screen, like, really. Okay, so this is basically what it is. This is the outer ring for that Starbucks cup. Now we're going to do an inner ring. So what you want to do is you grab another circle and you're going to do that little unlock thing right here. You're going to make your width. For this one, you're going to make it 2.125. Enter. And then this one, you're going to make it be 2 inches. Okay, so as you see, it's a circle within a circle. So that's basically, this circle right here is the same exact size as the Starbucks logo. So what we're going to do is you want to highlight both of these. And you're going to go here to align. You're going to hit center. And there you go. Then the next thing you're going to do is go down to the bottom right here and you see the word slice. You're going to slice it. Okay, now we have 3 circles. So you actually you don't even need this anymore. You can get rid of both of these. So here is the exact circle. Now there's also an option where if you guys want to do just a little bit of like a little circle, if I still have that on there. Yeah, like you guys can see there's just a tiny bit of a ring to that. You can do that also if you decide you want to. You just have to make the circle just a little bit bigger. However you guys want to do that. But I'm not doing that right now because it's a little too confusing. So here we're going to just do our name. So I want to make this, I'm going to cut my ring purple. Okay. So what I'm also going to do next is I'm going to find a font that I want. So I'm just going to do Jennifer's. Okay. And I don't want that font. So we're going to just pick a font that I think would be fine. Let's see. I just want something. It's hard. That's the most thing I have a hard time with. Okay, so we're just going to do this font right here. As you guys see, it's not going to fit. So I want to make it a curve. So you're going to basically just kind of curve it like this. Okay? But you also want to make sure that the letters are closer together. You might have to play with this a little bit, but you're just going to kind of curve it. So I'm going to just curve it up a little bit. I'm going to make the font just a little bit smaller. Change the curve. So this is something you just got to play with. So right there, that actually looks perfect. Now I could just leave the letters the way it is, or I can ungroup this and move my E closer to the F, however I want to do it. But it's just how you guys want to do it. But right now we're just going to leave it like that. So that's what we're going to do. And then I want to add a little star. I like adding little stars to this thing. So we're going to put a little star right here. And I'm going to do the same size and just duplicate it, and voila. So the first thing you guys want to do is you're going to highlight everything and you're going to slice it. Now it only slices one. I know it's weird, but it only slices one thing. So you can only have it highlight two things. So what we're going to do is click that other star. You're going to arrange it to send front. Okay. Now these are the same exact spot as I had them. So we're just going to highlight that. And I'm going to take this star out of here. And this star out of here too. Okay. Well, that's not how I wanted to do it, but you guys just got to play with it. So here we're going to just highlight it and slice it. So there are my two stars. Okay, my two stars. And we're going to put my name in the front. So we're just going to arrange to the front. You're going to put it just kind of just like that. However you guys want to do it, you can play with it. However you guys want to do it. So we're going to slice this also. So you're going to slice it. Voila, it says Jennifer's Coffee is what I'm going to make it say. So there we got that. You can just say it Jennifer's or however you want to do it. It took me a while to figure this out. You just got to play with it. But the main thing is you want to make sure that the circles match up to the label. So the next thing we're going to do is text again, and it usually just brings up the same font as you already have. So we're going to make this just a little bit closer. Okay, we're going to make the font a little bit smaller, and then we're going to go to the curve again, but you want to go the other direction and have it go like that. But the letters are spaced too far apart, and just twist it a little bit. So there's that. I can make it just a little bit closer. I just don't want it touching. So pretty good. Then again, I slice it, and there you go. Now I didn't do the stars exactly how I want. If you need to move those, you're just gonna have to keep going back, back, back. You just click the back button, or if you don't like where those stars are at. So let's say I don't like where that star is. What we're gonna do is you just go to a square, or we'll just click a circle. Okay. What you're going to do is just kind of, this is how I fill in holes if I don't want to go back and redo the whole thing. So right there I have the circle covered up the star. Just make sure it doesn't touch the J. I'm going to highlight the whole thing, and then I'm going to go down here and click weld. Okay, my star is gone. It completely disappeared. So I'm going to do the same thing with that. Since the star is pretty much touching the S, I might have to do this a couple times. We will see. Sometimes you got to play with it. Yeah. Okay, so we're just going to do, again, weld. And as you see, there's just that little tiny piece. So what I'm going to do is I actually am going to zoom in and go up, if it's going to let me. And then we're going to click shape. I don't know why. Okay, there we go. And then we're just going to make this super, super, super tiny. So it's not touching the S. Okay, so right there, then you're just going to highlight it all. Weld. Okay, the stars are gone. So then basically what you can do is you can put the stars in a new spot. We're going to do hearts now. So I'm going to take the hearts, and I'm going to just make it the size that I want. We're just going to put it right there. It's kind of how you want it to be. I'm going to duplicate that and put that to the side. Then we're going to just highlight everything. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I clicked weld. So we're just going to do undo. Again, highlight everything, and you click slice. There's my heart right there, and then you just get rid of those. So same thing, you're going to put that in the back or in the front. Voila. And then you're just going to highlight everything and hit slice. So there you go. Then what you're going to do is after you're done with this, okay, this is what I want. Then you just hit make it. You get your purple piece of paper, and voila. It's all there for you guys. You just want to make sure it's the same measurements, but there is your own personal coffee label If you don't want to color it in purple, you could still have it as purple, but you just put whatever vinyl that you want on there. So this is something that's took me a while to finally figure out, but I just wanted to share with you guys how easy it is. So just get one of those $3-4 cups and just start doing your own little thing that you guys want to do, but it's super easy once you get the hang of everything. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys another time. See you later.